the baby pops on and off the breast. Have you guys heard that as maybe being an indicator for a tongue tie? The mom probably has a forceful letdown and they're feeling waterboarded. So they're having to come on and off to regulate and figure out suck, swallow, breathe. Do I drink? Do I breathe? What's happening here? It's very, very difficult for them. Clicking and smacking sounds. This is another really common reason that TikTok tells people their baby has a tongue tie, because their baby is clicking and smacking, which most of the time that means you have an oversupply or a forceful letdown.